US stocks meet crypto. Welcome to xStocks on Hotcoin, where traditional finance merges with the future of digital assets. xStocks are tokenized stock assets, giving you access to popular equities like Tesla, Google, or Nvidia, all available directly on Hotcoin. xStocks gives you the best of both worlds: the growth potential of equities combined with the speed and flexibility of crypto trading. Anyone with a Hotcoin account, whether you're a stock enthusiast, a crypto trader, or just curious about new financial products, can buy xStocks on Hotcoin. Each xStock mirrors the real-time price of its underlying stock, but you can trade it as easily as crypto. You can trade xStocks anytime, 24/7. Unlike traditional stock markets that close, xStocks on Hotcoin never sleep. Why trade xStocks on Hotcoin? 20 times leverage, the highest in the market. Instant access without needing a stockbroker. Trade anytime, anywhere. Lower barriers, no complex paperwork, no regional restrictions. Here's how to get started in just a few taps. 1. Open the Hotcoin app and log in. 2. Tap on Trade at the bottom menu. 3. Tap on the upper left corner to select crypto. 4. Select the xStocks section. 5. Browse and choose your favorite stock, for example, GOOGLX/USDT. 6. Tap Buy or Sell to open your position. 7. You can also tap on Margin for trading xStock futures. You have now entered the future of stock trading. With Hotcoin xStocks, the stock market is in your hands anytime, anywhere. Trade smarter, trade bigger, trade xStocks only on Hotcoin.